presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 King Ranch. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include technology package, trailer tow package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking, sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, moonroof, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, and P3 player, Sirius satellite radio, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.